Govee RGBIC Glide. So these are one of the best looking lights. They're interchangeable glide wall lights from Govee. You control it with the Govee app. The Govee app is really easy to use. It can produce 16 million colors, and this RGBIC tech, it's just gonna let you decorate your home studio space. But these are a little bit different. These are gonna be you apply them directly to the wall, and they make incredible shapes. Because each one of these are panels that's gonna allow you to make different types of shape. You can connect them in order to make a style like a V, a W, just a straight line. You can connect them any way you want. This is like a modular system. It's a very modular system. They come with command strip already on the back, so it's easy to place, and then it's also easy to remove. And if you're wondering, what if I want to move them and I just remove, can I reuse this command strip? Well, maybe this one you're going to be throwing away, but you can just go buy a strip. You know, I have a package of command strips. I could just take another one and then replace it and leave the command strip that's stuck on here on, or I can remove it altogether and just use new command strips. 6 of these, and you get your controller. So here is a controller. You also get your quartering piece. So if you want to make a corner, you attach this as a corner. Add a corner here. Corner, all you got to do is, so yeah, you get 6 of these long strips. You get 1 corner piece. Clips it. Plug it to your controller. Plug this into one end. Let's say I choose this end. You know what? We'll make this a little bit shorter. So let's say you wanted to make it shorter. You can remove it, detach, because it's modular. I'm going to put my controller here. They're much easier on a flat surface. So put our controller. We're going to go to our Govee Home app right there. Our Govee Home app. So in order to connect, we're going to add it. We're going to press plus. Go back. We're going to hit our plus here. We're going to go look for Glide. If I want to just find it without having to go through the search, I can just type in Glide. And if I type in Glide, I can find Govee Glide Wall Light. Click it. Here we go. And connecting. Wi-Fi successful. Now it is updating. Once it finishes updating, I can show it to you. It gives you a grid so you can I only have 2 panels. Out of the 6, I'm only utilizing 2. You have interconnecting of 6. You can segment the lights. So let's say I want to segment the light. I can segment that here. What you do is you hit select all if you want to change it all together. And let's say I want to make it yellow. I want to make it green, blue, purple, turquoise. If I want to do it to music, this is on music mode. So there's energetic, rhythm, strike, vibrate, hopping. This is hopping, and bounce. Bounce is, I really like bounce. I think bounce is one of the cool ones. You have your scenes, so you have various scene modes, so you can choose between them. If you just want to do stream is also very nice. It's just like a streaming. It's water flowing. You have things like your life modes. So you have 15 life modes. Emotion, you have 6. Festival, you have 4. And natural, you'll have 9. You can make your own modes. This is how you make your own modes. And in music, I just want to make sure I tell people you can control the sensitivity. So it doesn't have to be so responsive, and you can control the colors. So if you want to adjust the colors and set them yourself, you can. We like to do it on auto color, and very functional. Now you can make this into any type of modular system you want. There we go. You can make it 2 colors. So you guys see I have 2 tones. Each individual glide light is going to have 2 sides. So you can change the color on 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So check it out. I think this is one of the best, most decorative things you can get for your home. And it works. It looks super good. We'll end on a sunset glow. Perfect.